Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today we'll discuss how to cancel your NetSuite account. To cancel your NetSuite account subscription, you'll need to go through Oracle or your solution provider, since NetSuite is a contract-based enterprise software and cannot be canceled directly via the UI. Here's how to do it properly. 1. Review your contract. Check your subscription end date, auto-renewal terms, required notice period, often 60 to 90 days in advance. Any early termination fees, you'll find this in your original NetSuite contract or renewal documents. 2. Contact your NetSuite account manager. You cannot cancel through the portal. You must reach out to your NetSuite account manager. If you work with a NetSuite solution provider or partner, contact them instead. Ask for the cancellation process, final billing termination details, confirmation in writing. 3. Submit formal written notice. You'll typically be asked to send a formal email or signed letter that includes your company name and account ID, a clear statement of intent to cancel, requested cancellation date, acknowledgement of remaining obligations, if any. 4. Export your data. Before your subscription ends, export key business data. Back up your transactions, customers, vendors, reports, custom scripts, or forms. Note: you may lose access immediately after the termination date. 5. Confirm cancellation. Ask for written confirmation from Oracle or your partner. Verify final invoice and service cutoff. Disable user access. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.